Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This rap song is about algebraic fractions. So here we have an algebraic fraction. The reason it's called an algebraic fraction, firstly it has a numerator and a denominator, so that's in the form of a fraction, and we have pronumerals in the numerator and pronumerals in the denominator, hence it's called an algebraic fraction. In order to simplify this, you just factorise the numerator, that gives you m plus 3 times m plus 3, and you factorise the denominator, that gives you m plus 3 times m minus 3. And we saw this in earlier videos, how to factorise each of these expressions. When you cancel the m plus 3 and the m plus 3, you're left with m plus 3 over m minus 3. So we've simplified this algebraic fraction to that. Over here we have two algebraic fractions multiplied together. So all we do here, in order to simplify this, we just expand that, so that gives us those two expressions there. We expand that, which is m squared minus 2 squared, that gives us that, and then we just put those two there. So when we do our cancelling, so we'll cancel that with that, cancel the m plus 2 with the m plus 2, cancel the m minus 2 with the m minus 2, and that gives us 1. Okay, because when we do the cancelling, each of these is 1. Okay, so 1, 1, and 1. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, so it's 1 over 1, which gives us the answer of 1. On the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about algebraic fractions. The aim of this video is to integrate mathematics, English, and music. Enjoy. And now we move on to the next three verses. And now the next slide. And the next slide. Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English, and music by creating a rap song about algebraic fractions. This video gives people the opportunity to create music to the given rap song. After that, the song can be presented at a school assembly or any school performance.